Our delayed Parrots street team members have to go over to Iraq back right after 9/11. And thank you, Jesus, they got home safely. But we said, you know, until every military person is back here on American soil, we will hang our flag proudly. And if one note tonight can go across the water and reach them, they'll know that we're thinking about them. To any of you families out there that have service people serving right now, we know what you're going through, and this one's for you as well. To all of our veterans that have served in the years before us for our freedom, we send this song out to you now. Our song especially for Major Alicia Parkhill. She's coming home and getting married in a couple of weeks. Thank you. And for our new friend, Private Jake Lobel, a son of a Tarpon Springs detective. He wrote me on Facebook and said, "Connie, will you sing to my son? He's going off to boot camp and going to be deployed to Afghanistan." We said, heck yeah, we'll keep him in our hearts. So for our troops tonight, this one's for you. I see trees of green, red roses too. Oh, I see a bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah. Oh, I see skies of blue and those clouds of white, those bright blessed days and those dark sacred nights. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. You know those colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? What they're really saying is, I love you. So pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? What they're really saying is, I love you. I hear babies cry. Oh, I watch them grow, and you know they're gonna learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.